Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So inside this box is the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. And this pair is in the UK size 8 or US size 9. And it has the Neptune Green, Midnight Turquoise, Hyper Crimson and Black colorway. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, flipping up the box lid to reveal the pair of shoes inside. And let's peel back the wrapping paper and show you the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. And let's peel back the other side as well to give you a better look inside the box. Okay, and let's take one side out. Let's take the left foot side out first. And let's just close that box lid down. And then show you the shoe all around. So initial impressions is that it's super light in weight. And it does, of course, have the Nike ZoomX foam. So it is Nike's lightest, softest, as well as most responsive foam technology. So this pair, or at least this side, is in the UK size 8 or US size 9. And just giving you a look all around, of course. So you can see that it does have a mesh-like upper, so it does have a feather-like mesh upper cover. And of course it has that ZoomX midsole. And taking a look around the heel counter area. And you can see that there's a very steep lip or contour up, slope up on the heel side. And this Nike ZoomX foam produces an 85% energy return, so it is not only the lightest, most responsive and softest foam Nike has ever produced, it also has an 85% energy return. So that provides some level of propulsion for the wearer or runner. And taking a look inside the shoe, and around the collar area as well. So you can see that it does have next to no cushioning around the collar of the shoe. So very thin material around the collar. And in terms of the softness and rigidity, giving you a look as to this lightweight or feather-light mesh upper. As you can see, just running my finger along the surface of the material, and you can see that exaggerated Nike swoosh there, extending into the midsole, indicating that it uses the ZoomX technology. And giving you a look at the back, so you can see that the heel counter, there is some rigidity there, which extends upwards towards the Achilles. And giving you a close-up look there. There's some text there. And let's bring it in even closer. And giving you a look all around at this left side of the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. And on the inside, let's slide out that card and giving you a look at the material once again with the upper and overall flexibility of the shoe. And let's try and do a twist test as well, just giving you a look at how the shoe reacts and behaves. Okay, so very, very lightweight pair of running shoes here. And giving you that close-up look at that very funkily designed upper cover, which is feather light, and the laces as well. So you can see that there is an inner liner there, or inner sleeve, that starts from the toe area to the midfoot area. So you can see this inner sleeve or at least that's the tongue, and there is an inner sleeve right there, I suppose. So it's pretty much like a sock, being so light in weight, especially using the ZoomX foam technology, and giving you a close-up look at the outsole or sole of the shoes. So right there you can see the depth of the patterns on the sole of the shoe, and you can see that it does have a very narrow arch area or midfoot area, and then of course the heel area right there. So once again giving you a look, just rotating the shoe right round. And giving you a close-up look. So let me just straighten that. So it is kind of like the tongue is sort of like the sleeve area anyway of the inside of the shoe, since I can't really notice any other section in there reaching inside. It's right there, giving you an all-round look at the left foot side of this Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. So you can see pressing on that foam there, the ZoomX foam, being the lightest softest as well as most responsive foam that Nike has ever produced, making this pair of Nike running shoes one of the lightest available. Okay, so that's the left foot side that we've seen. Now let's take a look at the right foot side, but just before I do that, let's just give you another look right here. And let's tidy it up slightly. And giving you a more complete view right there. Okay, so let's take a look at the other side, the left foot side. And just setting the box to the side once again. So, left foot side. Let's set the right foot side up there, so it doesn't become too distracting while we focus on this left foot side. So left foot side, you can see once again, and perhaps showing you something that we might have missed looking at the right foot side. So doing things a little bit differently here. So that Featherlight upper mesh cover, just going to pop that lace in there just to tidy things up slightly. It's right there. It's rotating around, so very interesting to see that this hyper crimson strip going down just that side and length of the forefoot. These laces really do get in the way, don't they? Stay. Okay, so right there, nice good look. And once again, just doing a flex test there. Of course that, interestingly, there's no card insert on this side. Okay, so as it is, right there, giving you a nice good look all around. You can see the shoe hole or shoelace reinforcements have a reflective sheen to them. Same kind of reflective layer as we see on the heel counter right there. So once again, very light in weight, and let's just do a quick measure of the weight. So over here, I do have the Amir electronic kitchen scale, which I've unboxed on the channel before, quite some time ago. So let's set it down and turn it on, and making sure that it's zeroed as well. So it is showing 0, just making sure. Yep, so that's fine. And let's set one side. Of course, as I mentioned, the card and any packing material has been removed from the shoe. Let's set that down and let's see what weight that is. So 209 grams that is. Oh, I beg your pardon, was it 209? Nope, yes it is 209 grams. Just making sure. 208, 209. So 208 grams. And in ounces, it is 7.35 ounces. And let's just test the other side. Wait, just let me double check. Yep, 208 grams. And just to make sure, 208 grams on the left foot side as well. So really, really consistent manufacturing there, down to the gram in terms of weight. So right there, and just going to put that scale aside and giving you a look at both sides side by side of the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. And trying to show you once again the depth order of the sole of this pair of shoes. Of course, the sole pattern as well. So that's the Nike Pegasus Turbo 2 Hakone. Thanks for watching and happy running!